To get started, I just added a shaky video clip to my timeline that I'd like to stabilize. Let's begin by selecting our clip on the timeline and going over to the inspector. Scroll down to stabilization and double click it to open up its settings. Now, before you click the stabilize button, you'll want to choose a mode. I recommend starting with perspective, which will tamper less with your original video, and if that doesn't work, try similarity or translation. I'll talk about these other settings in a bit, but for the most part, you can probably just leave them alone. Now just hit the stabilize button to stabilize the video to the mode you selected. Once it's finished analyzing, play your video back to see if you're satisfied with the result. I don't like how my video seems to stutter a bit with the perspective mode, so I'm going to change the mode to similarity and then click stabilize again. Okay, now this looks a lot better and my video is much less shaky than the original. Alright, next I'll explain a few of these advanced settings if you're interested in stabilizing your video further. The camera lock is a good thing to check if your camera is just recording a still shot and you're not moving it around at all. Keep in mind that you won't be able to edit these lower settings if you check camera lock. You'll almost always want to keep zoom checked or you'll see strange artifacting around the edges of your video since Resolve zooms into your video as part of the stabilization. The cropping ratio will determine how much your video is zoomed into during stabilization. The smooth slider will adjust how smooth the stabilization is during camera movements. And the strength will dictate how much you want to stabilize your video. I recommend just keeping this cranked up. Alright, and that's all there is to stabilizing a video in Resolve. Thanks for watching and see you next time.